sunrise at the Lay's factory, where every chip's journey begins.
Freshly harvested potatoes are unloaded in massive quantities, beginning their journey across the conveyor toward processing.
The potatoes enter a deep cleaning system, where powerful jets and rotating brushes wash away every trace of soil.
Each potato is weighed and inspected, with damaged pieces removed instantly to ensure only the best go forward. Peeling drums strip the potatoes clean and ready. Razor-sharp blades slice each potato into perfect chips.
Vibrating belts and air jets leave the slices dry.
In hot oil, the slices turn golden and crispy. Freshly fried chips roll out shining and crisp. Flavor drums coat every chip with delicious seasoning. Technicians fine-tune flavor levels with precision. Inspection belts remove anything less than perfect. Advanced scanners check every chip for safety. Every bag gets the perfect amount of chips. Robotic arms pack every bag with perfect accuracy. Cartons are wrapped and sent for delivery.
Loaded pallets roll into bright Lay's delivery trucks. From highways to cities, the chips travel nationwide.
Stores restock shelves with fresh, colorful Lay's bags.
A customer grabs their favorite Lay's with excitement.
A golden chip rises, crisp, light, and irresistible.
From farm to flavor, from potato to perfection, this was the complete journey of how Lay's is made. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one.